Kyle from Carterville, Illinois, has a question about attic retrofit.
Well, he just bought a house. The attic has no ventilation in it. And so he's obviously want to retrofit that. Kyle writes, I want to know if gable venting is good enough. I have about a 4 to 6 inch soffit that's not vented now, and I'd recently read about adding gable vents and a ridge vent. But in my experience, wouldn't that be, he says, a cross vent that actually would hurt the venting? Tom, Kyle wants your advice. Should he stick with the gable vents, ridge vents? What about solar attic fans? What would you recommend?
Ridge vents, soffit vents, Charlie.
Okay.
That's the way. I mean, that's the norm. The gable vents were used mainly in the old days because they had no other venting.
In the greenhouses, right? The House of Green Gables?
Okay. And so it really worked well, and it does blow air through. But today, in fact, when we do reciting jobs, let's say we talk home exterior systems or advanced or whoever's going to do it, they'll get rid of the gable vents, and they'll just hardy over it, and then the ridge vent gets to be able to take over what needs to be done. So ridge vents, soffit vents, you don't need solar fans, especially if you have a nice long ridge. And you certainly don't need the gable vents, and I would not put them in for sure because it's something that you try to get rid of, not add to.
So Kyle's on to something when he says having the ridge vents and the gable vents would be a bad thing.
Well, yeah, because the air blows on one side and blows through, and then the ridge vents don't do anything, and it doesn't pull from the soffits. So he's right with the cross winds or the cross ventilation, however you want to say it.
Sure. So stick with the soffit and the
soffit and ridge. Soffit and ridge. That's it.
All right. And questions and answers. Questions and answers. You send them to us, and we answer them. Yeah, there's just one direction of wind here coming at you when you send us your questions. Go ahead and visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on the Ask Tom form. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.
Wind.
Wow.
Okay, fine.
Put that one on the outtake reel.
Yeah, okay.